Happy St. Patrick's Festival, everyone, and thanks for joining us on St. Patrick's Festival TV. My name is Emma O'Sullivan, and I'm a traditional Nós dancer from Connemara in County Galway here in the west of Ireland. I am so thrilled to join such a rich and vibrant programme of events, and I think it's amazing that we can connect our family of 18 million across the globe in this joyful and uplifting celebration of Irish music and culture. I'm speaking to you all today from the cottage fireside here in Connemara, where I look out the most spectacular coastal landscape. I see the majestic 12 Bens mountain range, and that overlooks the stunning beaches here and the wild Atlantic Ocean. Connemara was dubbed a place of savage beauty by Oscar Wilde, and I like to think of it as a treasure chest where Irish traditions are stored safely against the march of time. It truly is the essence of Irishness here, where our native language, our dance, our song and our literature can be found in abundance. One of our most vibrant and powerful living traditions here are our sean-nós singing and dancing. And as a dancer, I've been very lucky to travel the globe showcasing this beautiful art form. I just think it's so special that I can share my favourite part of Connemara culture with you all today, wherever you are in the world. Sean-nós dancing is a loose, casual, improvised style of dance. It's mostly performed very close to the floor and on the spot in a very neat space. It's a percussive dance. It's very much a percussive representation of what's happening in the music. And I like to think of it as a conversation between the musician and the dancer. Here in Connemara, the steps are passed down in families from generation to generation. It's far more relaxed than the competition style of Irish dancing that one would see in shows like Riverdance. It was hugely popular here in the Rambling House era, and my own great-grandparents, Marcus and Helena Coyne, their country house was the local rambling house for the area. And that meant that neighbours would stop in of an evening and they would share their music, their dance, their song, their stories, and celebrate the local customs all together. And you can imagine all the neighbours gathered on the kitchen floor. It was a very tight squeeze. So I think that's why in sean-nós dancing we have that discipline of the neat and tidy footwork. We also have that lovely saying here wherever there's music or dancing being performed. We say, mind the dresser. And that goes back to that time where the steppers on the floor had to be careful that they didn't hit off the furniture as they danced to the music. The dance is fun to watch, it's easy to learn, and it's so much fun to perform. It's full of energy and spontaneity, and elements of the dance like the traditional brush dance are all about personality and humour. I'll be joined by Johnny O'Connelly, a renowned musician and composer from South Connemara. Like myself, Johnny got his love of Irish music and dance from the older members of his family. Both he and his late father, Johnny Sr., are credited with the revival of the playing of the single row melodeon, which is very popular for sean-nós dancing. He is a critically acclaimed recording artist and highly regarded for his wonderful, graceful and effortless playing style. Sulagam go mani sibh cadna bheas an bounsa agus an ceol aniu, banachtaí fila pargar ar fad. I really hope you enjoyed the music and dancing and enjoy the celebrations wherever you are today.
Bye.